We ended up going to a art store, got 3 paintings for 1.8 million dong, which is like $55 maybe. Really cool pieces of art. And then, yeah, Dane's trying to get some Birkenstocks for his brother-in-law. But yeah, today we're leaving Today we're leaving Hoi An, and yeah, it's like kind of hitting me that I'm leaving Vietnam soon, which kind of sucks, but it's bittersweet because I do want to go home. I've been thinking about Pete Terry's burger for the past like 2 weeks, so it's probably going to be the first thing I eat when I get back to Austin. This is the first time where I feel like I've actually, the past week I've been hanging out with, Dane, Georgina, Jay, Sean, and I've gotten to know them really well. And like today, everyone's kind of like splitting up, and so I know it's just weird, but yeah, a lot of fun people, cool people. But yeah, the trip's almost over, and it's kind of sad.
All our money. So there's an ATM down this way.
Bank it, no worries. Bing! What, is this it, 12th floor? Bro, I might hit a workout too. There's a 18th floor swimming pool, so I'm gonna go check it out. Ugh. Decided to check out the pool and the gym. Bruh, kinda sick. If I don't fall in the breath is so... I'm gonna fall in the pool. If I do, I'm gonna be so pissed. But check that out. Pretty sweet view, huh? Kinda crazy. Look at the building over there. Sick. And now here's the gym. Goated gym. We've got a treadmill. We've got free weights. We've got somewhat of an elliptical. And we've got this thing. And I'm not gonna use that, or that, or that. Ugh. Well, we're gonna hit a workout or what?
First we'll shower though.
You're gonna shower, workout, then shower again?
I feel so sick, like nasty right now.
Whatever you say, boss man. We made it to Da Nang. Yeah. Met a dude who plays Frisbee in Australia, and he knew Mark Evans, who played Soul / Double Wide, and who I also know, which is kind of cool. Small world. But yeah, gonna shower and then probably eat dinner, and then that's gonna be it. Today was pretty lax, pretty chill. It was sad to say goodbye to all the people I've met and hung out with for the past 5 days, but that's life. So, peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never a cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.